Yeah, recording started. So today what we are going to do is we are going to see validation of that particular product, whatever you selected. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Okay. Let me. Okay. Now what we'll do is validation of products. Okay. The first step of validation of the products, right? Okay. You check it first is ASIFI tool. That's one tool that you check. Next is you check with Overlow. That is, we have something called as view original products. Okay, that's one thing you check. Okay, after these two validation, right, you think that this particular product is scalable or you'll get good number of sales. But next is what you need to do is you need to check YouTube, 1 point. Okay, the next point that you need to check here is, let's do this today guys, YouTube. The next point what you check is Google Trends. Google Trends. Okay, this is, you check it again. And the next point, YouTube, Google Trends, ASIFI tool, and you have something called as AliExpress Drop Shipping Center. It is almost like ASIFI tool, guys, but it gives you much more good details. It's also a free tool that you can use. Okay. And let me tell you, let me see what are the other tools that are available. That's it. Okay, these are the tools that you are going to see. The others, anyways, we saw it already. Okay. So you saw ASIFI tool, you saw Overlow. Now we are going to work on AliExpress Dropshipping Center, and after that Google Trends, and after that YouTube. So guys, what you need to do is now, Jitendra sir, give me 2 product list from your research in the chat box here itself. In the chat box here, give me 2 products.
Okay, one.
Okay. Now what you need to do is just type in AliExpress Drop Shipping Center. Okay. You need to log in here. See, Drop Shipping Center AliExpress. Just click on this. It's almost like ASIFI tool, but rechecking, revalidating. Okay. Sign in. Why it's taking so much time? Sign in again. Yeah, we signed up. I need 2 product lists, guys. Any one of you?
Yeah, I'm just opening.
You are ready to find winning products by keywords. If you can see here, see here you are ready to find winning products by keywords, categories, price ranges, shopping condition, video quality, and more. This is a new thing, guys. Let me check. Find the products. I'm searching for. See this. We're getting good orders here already. Yeah. Okay, I got one. Okay, let me take the first one. I got one product. Let me take the first product. This is a product I got. Okay. car wireless charger. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, copy, go here and click on product analysis. Click on product analysis, give the product URL here. Okay, just click on analyze. Now if you just click on analyze, see this, see the trend. Okay, it got good sales in 12th of August, 100 more than 100 sales. But now if you can see this, yesterday it got only 14 sales. Okay, there is still possibility of getting a sale, but I'm not sure about this. I need to test it. I'm not that confident on this particular product. So this particular tool, that is AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Okay, AliExpress Dropshipping Center will get you some information regarding how many sales this particular product got through AliExpress yesterday. Okay. Logics availability excellent. Okay, that's okay. Now let me check some more products here. Okay, I need this one. I need the link, Jitendra. I need the link. Okay, C nitrate. Okay, let me copy this and check. Control C. Let me go to AliExpress. You're talking about this particular product? Okay, I anyways got this particular product here. Okay, now just see this, guys. This particular product. Let me check. This is new to me. Let me check what product it is. Oh, my 18 minutes. 18 minutes video. What does it do? Any idea what does it do?
It's a fishing purpose. Like fishing, they use that thread now. Like I don't know, like what to say exactly. They
Okay, this is
This is
basically
for
for fishing, right?
fishing, yeah, fishing.
Okay, now let me copy this coffee. Okay. Let me go to AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Delete this. Delete this. Analyze. Now see this. Oh, you got a nice product, man. Seriously, it got 100 sales yesterday. Started very low. It started with 27 sales. Okay, and now it is almost touching 100 sales. This is nice product. You can take it off. Okay, mind it, guys. This is what you need to check. Okay, it says it got 100 sales almost. It touched 100 sales. So you can experiment on this. You can experiment on this particular product. Okay, let me click on this. I got one more product here. Others, please put in your products here so that let's do this today. Let's finalize some products. Click on analyze. This is also good. High clarity telescope. Guys, you are doing a good job. Nice. Whose product is this? Whose product is this? Mine. Okay.
Mine. This is mine.
Okay, nice products, man. Seriously. Yeah, nice products. So this is how you need to check. You will go to AliExpress Dropshipping Center and nice products. Now let me. Yeah, this is a product. Let me check what exactly is this particular product. Okay, nice product, man. Nice work. Others, come on. Okay, for example, let me go with this particular product. Now I got some confidence on this particular product. For example, I am done with AliExpress Dropshipping Center. I'm done with Asifi. I'm also done with Oberlo. Now let me go with Google Trends. Okay. Now what will I do is I'll just go to Google Trends here. Let me click on this. Okay. Now let me search for the same topic. What is this? High clarity telescope binocular. Okay, let me type in here. Telescope binocular. Binocular. Is the spelling correct? Yeah, telescope binocular. Now you're checking in US, right? It's almost US. Let me check last 30 days. How is the trend? Okay, trend is now down. Let me check last 12 months. Okay, this is good, guys. This is, you can go with this, I guess. For example, past day, it is down or up. Okay, sometimes it's on upper side, sometimes okay. Now let me scroll down and let me check last 30 days. Okay, this is okay, guys. Not that great in Google Trends, but okay. Okay, now let me go to YouTube and type in the same thing. Copy, paste it here. Guys, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah, now the criteria on this particular thing is whenever you're typing, whenever you're having YouTube, right? The criteria is, let me type in the criteria. Okay. The product, just give me a second. Okay, the product, whatever you're searching, right? For example, my product is here, telescope binocular. Okay, the criteria on YouTube is this year, at least 5 or 6 videos okay, should have at least 10k views, 10k views on that particular product. This is the criteria, guys. Okay. Now the product, whatever product, for example, telescope binocular, right? Now I just typed in telescope binocular. Let me go to filter here. Okay, click on this here. Right. Again, click on filter. Click on view count. If you can see this, click on view count. Just click on this. Now see this. Scroll down. Okay. Now this particular telescope binocular, at least 5 to 6 videos should get more than views. More than how many views? As I told you here, more than 10k views. That is 10,000 views in this particular year. At least 5 or 6 videos should get that. So here see 112k, that's okay. 44k, that's okay. If you can see this 44k, it's okay. 35k, it's okay. 29k, it's okay. 24k, 23k, 15k, 15k, 14k, 12k, 11k, 10k. This is clearly people, that means people are searching for this particular product on YouTube. Okay, if you wanted to go more more into these details, right? Let's take the direct to product name, a high clarity telescope 60 into 60. Let me type that here. Okay, high clarity telescope. Okay, let me remove this. 60 into 60. See this 1.2k way, no 15k views, 6.1k views, only one view, it seems 5 views, 3k views, 12 views 5 months ago, no views, no views, no views. Yeah, 298k views 2 years. Oh, sorry, let me go to this year, right? I forgot that. Filter, this year, filter, view count. See this 15k views, 370 views, 110 views, 93 views, 82 views, 62, 35, 28, 14, 12, 12, 9, 9, 8. No, people are not searching for this particular product, guys, on YouTube. Okay, people are not searching for this particular product on YouTube. Let me check on Google. Copy this, go back and just type in here high clarity telescope 60 into 60. No searches at all. Let me remove the 60 into 60. No. Let me copy this. Go with YouTube again once again. Okay, go with YouTube. Let me go to filter. This here. Click on this. View count. Now see this. Are we able to say 6073k, 8.1k views, 1.2k views, 371? This is not doing good in terms of YouTube. It is not going good in terms of YouTube. Here the product failed here. Here the product failed. Here the product failed. But here Asifi, AliExpress, Uberlo. I don't know about Uberlo. Let me add that to Uberlo and check. Where is that particular product? Okay, here it is. Let me add this to Uberlo and check. Okay, open import list. See this. This is a clear failure, guys. This particular product is clear failure from Uberlo. 0 orders. I don't know why it is showing 0 orders. But here in AliExpress dropshipping center, it's showing highest number of sales. I don't know why. Maybe let me check in Asifi. Nasifi also it is showing clear winner. But I don't know why in overlay it is not showing clear winner. Okay, it increased by 5.1%. Yesterday it got around 100 number of sales and doing good. It is doing good in Russian Union. But overlay is showing me zero. I don't know why. What do you think, guys? Any problem with overload? View product statistics is zero. Need your just unmute yourself and talk to me. Why do you think it is the data is something like this?
Maybe people are directly marketing, and because of that, more sales.
Direct marketing बोले तो?
Like not necessary that it should come. They should come to YouTube, right?
Yeah, but why overlay is showing me zero? At least it should show some number, right?
Overall, you just see that exact product. Now there are so many. I mean, different variant products are there. Is it the same product?
Okay, let me do something like this then. Okay, high clarity.
There are so many different.
Yeah, let me do something like that. Okay. Let's see that as well. Or else telescope, binocular. Okay, this is what it is, right? Telescope, binocular. This is a product. Click on number of orders. Okay, this particular product is what we are able to see. And the same product has come up.
Yes.
The same product is showing good here, but in overlay, I don't know why it is not showing at all. Maybe we can check it tomorrow, guys. Maybe we can check it tomorrow.
Okay. So one thing we saw, like good number of order coming for this particular product. So can we have a site for this exclusive for not only for this? If any product we see huge demand, okay, very necessary item, can we have exclusive store only for that particular product?
You can have. There is no harm in having that. Okay. But when you get confidence, right? When you have a general store and when you're running ads on it and you're getting good number of orders, maybe 20, 30 or 10, 15 orders per day, then you can go with,
exclusive store.
A normal niche store, a single product store, then you can go with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because in, I think, sports items, there are so many exclusive stores are there. So maybe they would have tried initially and then they would have got their winning product and then launched
Yes, perfect. So basically, you need to do that. Okay, first run the ads on the general store, whichever product is doing good for you. Then create one more store only on that particular store, only on that particular product. Okay, guys. So
you can create some good brand also on that.
Yeah, if you wanted to create a good brand out of it, if you wanted to do something of white labeling, having your own brand, then go with this website. It is for white labeling.
Means we can display our brand and sell it.
Yeah, you can have your own brand and sell it here.
We can ask, we can ask the vendor to put our brand name and on that product.
Yes.
How it is different than what we are now learning? Like,
no, this is not on your brand. First point, okay.
Okay.
Here you have exclusive brand of your own.
This can be created in Shopify.
Which one? Yeah, you can create this in Shopify.
Okay.
You can create this in Shopify. No issues on
this. This guy is a vendor or what?
He's a vendor, same like AliExpress.
Oh, okay.
Perfectly like AliExpress, he's a vendor. Okay. So guys, yeah, please go on, please.
Are you doing this or?
No, we are not doing white labeling. No, we are not doing white labeling. Okay. So guys, whatever products you have, you need to undergo these type of things. For first one, what you need to do is Okay. AliExpress Dropshipping Center, as if you almost the same tools. Then check in Google Trends. Then check in YouTube. If you are able to convince yourself that you are getting good number of views on YouTube, the product is a perfect winner because people are searching for that particular product on YouTube and they are getting views. Okay, next is Google Trends. Check the trend. It should be a constant or it should be on the upper side. Okay, Asifi tool, you know that AliExpress Dropshipping Center also same like Asifi tool. Next is Overlow original product. Just click on original product, then you get good number of sales there. If you're getting that, you can go ahead with that. Okay. For example, let me take one product for you, which is doing good right now. Okay, let me go to AliExpress.
Completely depend on AliExpress Center. AliExpress.
Yes. Yes.
Depend 100% because if we see 100 places, then definitely there will be up and down.
Yeah.
So,
what is this? Okay. This product also doing good. I saw the product. People doing good. This is good. Let me click on this. This is also doing good. Okay. Okay. After that, take this URL. Copy this URL and just go back to AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Just go to product analysis. Just put it here. Sorry. Just analyze. Yeah, this is also doing good. This is on the upper trend. And what is this? Cut and clip. Okay, let me now go to Google Trends. Okay, let me first add this. Okay, where is the product? Let me add this particular product Overlow. Open import list. The original product. Scroll down 308. See, in the last six months, 7,706. In the last 30 days, only 308. Okay, that's okay. Now let me check what it is called. Pearl magnetic cut and clip. Okay. Now let's go to
curtain clip or curtain buckle.
Okay. Curtain clip. Okay, curtain clip. So let me go to filter this year. Again filter. Let me go to view count. Yeah, people are searching for it. Good number of views as well. Okay, nice view.
Search for curtain buckle also.
Buckle, B-U-C-K. B-U-C-K-L-E. Okay. Sorry, curtain buckle. 9K views, 57K views. Yeah, you can test this particular product. I think this is doing good.
Probably we can have varieties of these buckles.
Yeah.
As one collection.
Okay, let me go to this particular product. Okay, you're getting it for $1.47. Let me check the actual price people are selling. Pearl. Curtain. What do you call curtain? Clip. Okay, or else, yeah, plus Shopify.
Buckle or clip.
Yeah, these are the product. This is the product, exact product. Right? Amazon. I'm not going to check. Pinterest. Okay, IKEA is also selling it. Let me check this.
So, like, are we checking for the USA market or India? Because generally,
USA market, you can use what do you call that, man? VPN.
VPN.
Yeah, you can use VPN. I don't know how to use, but people use VPN.
Yeah, there is a Chrome extension. You can install any free VPN, then select the US
Okay.
Oh, okay.
server.
What is that Chrome extension? Just put it here, na chat.
Free India or free VPN.
Oh, are you using?
Yeah, I used to use.
Oh,
See this, they are selling it at $14.95.
Wow, nearly 10 times.
Yeah, see, it's nice.
14
Description
times.
is also nice. You can check this particular product. Let me bookmark it.
Can you send the link? It's
This
also,
particular link, okay.
yes.
I'll put in the WhatsApp chat.
The display of that website is nice.
Yeah, display is also nice. Okay, this particular product is also doing good. Okay. Yeah. What you need to do is the same process, guys. The same process. Here it is. Go to YouTube, go to Google Trends, go to Asifi tool, go to AliExpress, go to Oberlo, and check if you are finding a winning product in this all. Then make this particular product as your put this particular product onto your store so that you'll get some sales. Okay. If you wanted to find high ticket products, and one more thing, guys, just go to dashboard here. AliExpress is giving you free of cost how to find winning products here. This is a new one. This is a new one. Okay, just click on find products, and it is also giving you the product list already. Shipping to United States. United States, this particular product is doing good, it seems. Let me click on this. Okay. What is this? What is this particular product? Eyebrow shaver, it seems. Okay, for shaving eyebrows. Let me click on this. Okay, okay, it started getting some sales. Okay, now let me go back. Number of orders. Just click on analyze. See this, not that great, but if you want, you can try this out. Okay, if you want, you can try this particular this thing, and this is also doing good results. Let me check this. It used to do good. No, 100% in US it seems. Okay, 100% in US, and this is what it is. Last 6 months it sold out. Last 7 days 165. Let me check what product it is. Okay, if you want, you can try this particular product, guys. This also do good. This is, what is this? 12 horoscope pendant. Okay, based upon horoscope, they give you pendants. Okay. I don't know why AliExpress is showing you these particular products. Okay, from Spain, from Italy. Click on sponsored products, server busy, search by image, hot selling. Okay, let me click on kids. Toys. Okay. This one, it seems. What is this particular product?
Stamp, rubber stamp, name stamp.
What is this particular product, man? And people are buying it.
It's a name stamp.
Yeah, I understand.
But what purpose? I don't know.
Yeah. What is the purpose? And good
It's
number
a
of
toy
sales.
actually. Toy like.
Oh, this one for labeling shirts for children,
Okay.
so that it will not get mixed up with other children's shirts.
Oh,
We
see this 1,566% up in 2 weeks.
that is trending.
Yeah, this is good.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is good, guys. If you wanted to try this out, you can try this out.
Check another one I'm sending.
Okay,
Chair covers.
this one.
Yes.
Yeah, you did a good research, man. Good number of sales already. Let me check this in Overflow.
No, I'm simply thinking what I will buy in Amazon.
Okay,
I am not even thinking what US market will search. I'm just
okay,
thinking what if I'm searching for something in Amazon which is unique.
okay.
Okay,
Nice,
what
nice
will I
product.
buy for my home?
Yeah, this was a nice product. This is also good. Getting good sales. Yeah, you can also try this, guys. Now concentrate more on this particular. I'm giving you the link here. Okay, just copy and giving you the link. Sorry, not this link. Let me go to AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Find products. Cop. Sorry. Find products to sell. Go ahead and have your account here and start working on this as well. Now, whatever products you have, right? Now, whatever products you have, just go ahead and click all the products and validate this. Validate and send me a new list by tomorrow. All of you guys, please send me a list by tomorrow so that we will finalize the products and we'll start Google AdWords on this. Sorry, Facebook ads on this.
And we need to create separate account for this dropship center or same AliExpress will work.
I didn't get your question again.
For this AliExpress dropship center research,
Hmm.
we need to create a separate account or the same AliExpress account will work.
Same AliExpress account works for a separate account. Anyways, you need to have an account in that. That's it.
And when we'll do marketing, which product we are going to show, because we are uploading, we are trying to research so many categories, and we will add so many products.
That depends upon your this thing. Product research. Any product you can take, any generic product you can take
Okay.
to advertise. Not a separate category of any category, something like that. Any generic product works.
And while setting up the campaigning, we need to target countries. We need to select whatever we want to promote, right? Or
Yes, you need to select the countries: US, UK, Canada, Australia, New
Australia,
Zealand.
New Zealand.
That's the countries. Just give me a minute, guys. I got one product from someone. Okay, what is the product? Let me share the screen. Okay, Nayan sent me this. What is this? Powerball. I like this particular product, but let me check number of sales on this. Okay, this is doing good. This is also doing good. Let me check in Overflow. This is doing good, guys. Powerball, it seems. Oh my God, nice product, man. Nice, seriously nice product. See, in 6 months, it only got 1247, but in 13 days, 1407. This is nice. This is nice product. Yeah, nice product. Let me check one more product. I got one more product. Yeah, this we already saw. I already saw this particular product. This is also doing good. I saw this particular product. Yeah, this is also doing good, but I more than that, I love this particular product. Seriously, I love this. Maybe okay. What's the product name?
Wrist ball
trainer. It says. Let me go here and just type in wrist ball trainer plus. 19.99. Nice product. Nice product name. I liked it. Nice product. Yeah. How much are they getting it for? For 8.54. They're selling it for 19. Around $3 to $4 is the profit that they are making almost. Okay, guys, that's all you need to check. These are the criteria. Make sure that you take care of this criteria. Let me give this particular product. Yeah, use this criteria. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. I'll share the recording in half an hour. Just go through that and check your products. Finalize your products by tomorrow. And the validation has to be done. Finalize your products by tomorrow. We'll again meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Yeah, Nayan, please.
क्वेश्चन है ये शॉपिफाई वाले जो प्लान दे रहे $29 में 4 लोकेशन का कुछ है, मतलब जब प्लान परचेस करते हैं तो उसमें 2 लोकेशन ही दिखते, बट उसको अपन एक मैंने यूएस का डाला है और एक इंडिया का डाला है, तो मतलब यूएस और इंडिया दोनों, यूएस का सेट किया तो फिर यहाँ का इंडिया में दिखना ही बंद हो गया, फिर मैंने वीपीएन डाउनलोड किया एंड देन कुछ मुझे दिखा मेरा स्टोर, ऐसा हुआ था।
4 लोकेशंस
नहीं, मतलब उसमें प्लान में मेंशन होता है ना कि 4 लोकेशन पे दिखता है सब ये।
Okay, the store looks at only 4 locations. You are saying that, right?
हाँ.
Okay, I'll check it and get back to you. Okay, no worries. It should not happen like that, but I'll check it. Okay.
Okay सर, मुझे एक और थीम का भी इश्यू था थोड़ा।
कौन सा इश्यू था? क्या है?
जब प्रोडक्ट पेज पे मेरे कुछ टी शर्ट दिखते हैं ना, तो उसमें मालूम है अपने लेमूर कार्ट मुझे दिखाया था स्टोर।
हाँ।
उसमें जैसे फेड अप करके आता है ना, उसके ऊपर इमेज के ऊपर, मतलब डॉग लवर टी शर्ट, कैट लवर टी शर्ट, दैट्स व्हाई ऐसा आपने ये थीम में नहीं हो रहा, मतलब वो भी सेम था, आपका ही स्टोर है ना वो।
हाँ। I'll see it tomorrow. Is it okay?
Okay sir.
Just share your details with me on WhatsApp. I'll see it tomorrow.
Okay sir.
Okay.
But we got extension that.
Yeah. Some of you got extensions, right? Good. Nice.
Yes.
Nice. You got some extensions.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Bye.